Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove the search history from Instagram. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to install the Instagram app. So I have already installed it. So let's open it. We have to click on this. So as you can see, the Instagram app is open. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this search icon. As you can see, here's a search icon. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, if you want to search any kind of thing, you have to search it. For example, I'm going to write that. So I'm going to back. And now we have to write here. For example, I'm going to search for the Amir Khan. And now we have to click on this. So as you can see, for example, I have searched this one. So after that, I'm going to bake again. So I'm going to click on this search again. And now I'm going to search again something else. For example, I'm going to search for the computer. So let's search for it. And now it's searching. Now again I'm going to back. So as you can see, now let's click on this. And so as you can see, these are the search history. If you want to remove them, you can also do that. Simply I'm going to click on see all. And after clicking on the see all, as you can see, has a button for the clear all. So we have to click on the clear all. And after clicking on, now we have to click on the clear all. So as you can see, the whole search history is removed. So in this way you can remove your Instagram search history. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.